Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually install Minecraft with Forge. First of all, please go ahead and open any browser. For me, I'm going to use Google Chrome, just like so. And you can use whatever browser you want. And then we go here and we search for T-Launcher, and we've made like too many videos about this launcher. It is the best by far because it gives you a lot of like modes, a lot of options that you won't have them in other launchers. So after you open this page, tlauncher.org, you can click on download TL, and from here you can choose whatever you want to download it on Windows, Mac or Linux. For me, I'm going to use Windows, and after that you can click on it, install it on your PC. I have already installed it, and click on next, just like a normal installation, like you download anything on your PC. Now let's open it on our PC, just like so, and we wait a little bit. And as I said, guys, you can download skins, you can have a lot of stuff with this launcher. It's really great for you to have. Now let's open it. Here you can put your name, and from here you can choose whatever version of Minecraft you'd like. And this launcher, it will give you by default the Forge in their settings. So if you want it, just go ahead and search for Forge, or like Forge with Optifine or Forge alone, and after clicking on it like so, it will be installed. So as you can see, it will be installed after like a couple seconds. And what does Forge help you with? It will help you later on to find a file or a document in your Minecraft files which called modes. This Forge will open it for you and create it for you there, and it will help you to make to add modes to your Minecraft. So you can add whatever mode you like. For example, if you want to add mode, you can go mods Minecraft like so, search Forge, and this website got a lot of modes. You can from here download them and add them to your file, which is called Minecraft Forge modes. And yeah, guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.